Activity 6, construction. Make the tallest tower. And I will be covering up 2 methods how to make them. Method 1. This method might collapse because this method is this here is method 1. Stacking them up from the box. And now method 2. This here is method 2. And this method is much easier than method 1 if it's stable. If it's not stable, then a much harder method. This here is almost done. And
so this method is more stable than the last method.
I wouldn't call it more stable because this method can collapse even to the tiniest shocks.
Oh, I see. And is there another method you can do, Victor, which is even less stable but taller?
Yes, there is. Actually, there's 2 of them. This is one method that I'm not going to be covering up. It's going to take like an hour to build.
Which is too unstable. Is there another way, Victor, you could do it so
Yes,
it's stabler?
there's also this way, but this is even more unstable and I might not be able to actually build to the end.
We will try.
Just before you think I didn't do this ever, I actually practiced all night yesterday. And this is hard to build.
Hop.
Like that. That's why it's so unstable.
But how tall could they make it? I wonder if they could make it tall.
Well, if there would be another method, but this method takes a lot of dominoes and a lot of time to build, which I'm not going to be covering. I'm just going to show you one part of it.
So using 4, maybe.
But this is a problem.
Okay, Victor, thank you very much for today's video. I hope the children can copy what you've done and build a tower. Thank you. Bye.